Hacking career technical skills. Essential skills for a successful hacking career. Introduction. A successful hacking career requires a diverse set of skills encompassing technical expertise, problem-solving abilities, and ethical practices. This comprehensive guide outlines the essential skills needed to excel in the field of hacking. Whether you're aspiring to become an ethical hacker or a cybersecurity professional, mastering these skills will enhance your effectiveness, broaden your career opportunities, and contribute to the security of digital systems. 1. Networking fundamentals. A strong understanding of networking fundamentals is essential for hacking. Learn about TCP/IP protocols, subnetting, network architecture, and common networking devices. Familiarize yourself with the OSI model, IP addressing, routing, and network protocols such as DNS, HTTP, and FTP. This knowledge forms the foundation for comprehending network vulnerabilities and conducting effective network penetration testing. 2. Operating systems. Proficiency in various operating systems is crucial for hacking. Develop a solid understanding of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Learn their file systems, command line interfaces, user management, and security features. Gain practical experience in system administration tasks, user privilege management, and system hardening techniques. Familiarize yourself with common vulnerabilities specific to each operating system. 3. Programming languages. Mastery of programming languages empowers hackers to develop custom tools, automate tasks, and exploit vulnerabilities. Start with languages like Python, C++, and JavaScript. Learn their syntax, data structures, functions, and libraries. Understand how to manipulate files, perform network operations, and interact with databases. Knowledge of scripting languages like Bash and PowerShell is also beneficial for automating tasks and executing scripts during penetration testing. 4. Web technologies. In-depth knowledge of web technologies is vital for understanding web application vulnerabilities and conducting web-based attacks. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to grasp front-end web development concepts. Study server-side scripting languages like PHP, Ruby, or Python, and understand how they interact with databases. Acquire knowledge of web frameworks, such as Django or Ruby on Rails. Learn about web application vulnerabilities, including SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and insecure direct object references. 5. Cryptography. Cryptography is at the heart of information security. Develop a strong understanding of encryption algorithms, cryptographic protocols, and cryptographic primitives. Study symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hashing algorithms, digital signatures, and key management principles. Learn about cryptographic weaknesses and common attacks, such as brute force attacks and chosen plaintext attacks. Understand how cryptography is used to protect data and identify vulnerabilities in cryptographic implementations. 6. Vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Proficiency in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing (VAPT) techniques is a cornerstone of ethical hacking. Learn how to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications. Study various tools and methodologies used in VAPT, such as scanning tools, exploit frameworks, and social engineering techniques. Understand the importance of reconnaissance, enumeration, vulnerability scanning, and reporting. Practice using popular tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Burp Suite, and Wireshark. 7. Reverse engineering and malware analysis. Reverse engineering and malware analysis skills are critical for understanding and countering malicious software. Learn techniques to analyze malware behavior, identify its functionalities, and dissect its code. Familiarize yourself with disassemblers, debuggers, and decompilers, and understand how to analyze and manipulate binary files. Develop an understanding of common malware types, such as viruses, worms, and trojans, as well as techniques for malware detection and mitigation. 8. Social engineering. Social engineering involves manipulating human behavior to gain unauthorized access to systems or information. Learn about psychological manipulation techniques, social engineering attacks, and methods used to exploit human vulnerabilities. 9. Incident response and forensics. Proficiency in incident response and digital forensics is essential for a hacking career. Understand the process of handling and responding to security incidents. Learn about evidence preservation, data collection, and analysis techniques for digital forensics investigations. Familiarize yourself with tools and methodologies used in incident response and forensic analysis, such as memory analysis, disk imaging, and log analysis. Develop an understanding of incident response frameworks and best practices. 10. Network security and firewalls. Understanding network security principles and firewalls is crucial for protecting networks and identifying vulnerabilities. Learn about network security protocols, access control mechanisms, and intrusion detection, prevention systems. Familiarize yourself with firewall technologies, including packet filtering, stateful inspection, and application-level gateways. Understand how to configure, monitor, and audit firewalls to enforce network security policies effectively. 11. Secure coding practices. Proficiency in secure coding practices is essential for preventing and mitigating software vulnerabilities. Understand common programming mistakes that lead to security vulnerabilities, such as buffer overflows, input validation issues, and insecure direct object references. Learn about secure coding guidelines and best practices, such as input validation, output encoding, and proper error handling. Familiarize yourself with secure development frameworks, such as OWASP Top 10 and CERT Secure Coding. 12. Communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration skills are crucial for a hacking career. Develop the ability to clearly articulate technical concepts and findings to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Enhance your written and verbal communication skills to produce comprehensive reports and effectively convey security risks. Collaborate with teammates, clients, and other stakeholders to share knowledge, coordinate efforts, and achieve project objectives. 13. Risk assessment and management. Understanding risk assessment and management helps prioritize security efforts and make informed decisions. Learn how to assess and quantify risks, identify assets and vulnerabilities, and evaluate the potential impact of security incidents. Familiarize yourself with risk management frameworks and methodologies, such as ISO 27005 and NIST SP 800-30. Develop skills in risk mitigation strategies, such as risk acceptance, avoidance, transfer, or mitigation. 14. Continuous learning and adaptability. The field of hacking is constantly evolving, and a hacker must continuously learn and adapt to new technologies, threats, and defensive measures. Cultivate a mindset of continuous learning and stay updated with the latest security trends, vulnerabilities, and attack techniques. Explore new tools, frameworks, and methodologies to enhance your skills and adapt to emerging threats. Engage in professional development activities, attend conferences, and participate in training programs to broaden your knowledge base. 15. Ethical and legal considerations. Maintaining ethical standards and adhering to legal considerations is paramount in a hacking career. Understand the legal and ethical boundaries surrounding hacking activities, including permissions, consent, and responsible disclosure practices. Familiarize yourself with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards pertaining to cybersecurity and hacking. Uphold ethical principles, respect privacy, and prioritize the security of systems and data. Conclusion. Developing a successful hacking career requires a combination of technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and ethical practices. Mastering the essential skills outlined in this comprehensive guide will provide a solid foundation for a hacking career. However, it's important to remember that continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to ethical hacking practices are vital for long-term success in the field. Keep exploring new technologies, stay updated with emerging threats, and engage in ongoing professional development to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. By honing your technical expertise, problem-solving capabilities, and ethical mindset, you can build a rewarding and impactful career in hacking while contributing to the security of digital. Thanks for watching.